Hello, everyone. Welcome to this calm and relaxing English listening video. Today, we have a surprising motivational story called Never Save Money. It is about a grandfather who taught his grandson a strange but powerful lesson about work, wisdom, and life. Many people think saving money is always good. This story will make you think again. The words are simple. The sentences are short. Listen slowly. Repeat them in your mind. Play this video on repeat even while you sleep. It will help your English grow and your thinking change. In a quiet village, there lived a young man named Raj. Raj was 25 years old. He had a good job in the city. He earned a nice salary every month. Raj was careful with money. He saved almost half of what he earned. He put it in the bank. One day, I will be rich, he thought. I will buy a big house, a car, security for my family. Every weekend, Raj visited his grandfather in the village. Grandfather was old but strong. He lived in a small house. He had a little farm. Chickens. Vegetables. He never seemed worried about money. One Sunday, Raj told his grandfather, "I save a lot. I want to be safe in the future." Grandfather listened. Then he smiled. "That's good, Raj. But come with me." He took Raj to the backyard. There was an old mango tree. Grandfather pointed to it. "This tree is 50 years old. It gives sweet fruit every year. But do you know what I did when it was young?" Raj shook his head. "I never saved the mangoes," Grandfather said. "When they were ripe, I ate some. I gave some to neighbors. I sold some at the market. I planted new seeds. The tree grew stronger because I used the fruit." Raj was confused. "But if you saved the mangoes, you would have more later." Grandfather laughed. "No, my boy. Saving everything makes the tree weak. Using it wisely makes it grow." Then Grandfather told a story from his youth. "When I was your age, I worked hard. I earned money. Like you, I saved almost everything. I thought, never spend. Save for bad days. My bank account grew. But my life stayed small. I didn't travel. I didn't help friends. I didn't enjoy good food. I was afraid to spend even a little. One day, a flood came. The village lost everything. My savings were in the bank, but the bank closed for months. Shops had no food. Money was useless. My neighbor had spent money on a strong house and good tools. He shared food with everyone. He helped rebuild. I learned a hard lesson. Money in the bank is good. But money used wisely is better." Grandfather continued. "Never save money like a miser. Use it to grow. Spend on experiences. Travel. Learn new skills. Help others. Invest in your health. Your family. Your dreams. Money should work for you. Not sit sleeping in the bank." Raj asked, "So I should spend everything?" No, grandfather said. Balance is wisdom. Save some for safety, but use most to live fully. Plant seeds. Like the mango tree. Raj thought about this. From that day, Raj changed. He still saved. But not everything. He traveled to new places. He learned photography. He took his family to nice restaurants. He helped his sister start a small shop. His life felt richer, happier, fuller. Years later, Raj had his own family. He became successful. Not just with money, but with joy. He visited grandfather again. You were right, Raj said. Never saving everything gave me a better life. Grandfather nodded. Money is a tool. Use it to build memories. To grow. To share. Hoarding money is like hoarding mangoes. They rot. Sharing and using money wisely makes more grow. Everyone, this story is surprising but true. We all want security. Saving is important. But never save money like it's the only goal. Work hard. Earn well. Save enough for emergencies. But use money to live. To learn. To love. Buy experiences. Books. Courses. Time with family. Help someone in need. Invest in yourself. Your health. Your skills. Money comes and goes. But a full life stays forever. Think about your money. Do you save too much? Or spend too much? Find balance. Work with wisdom. Thank you for listening to this motivational English story. Let the lesson stay with you. Play this video again tomorrow. Let the simple words help your speaking and your choices. Good night or good morning. Use your money wisely today. Sweet dreams. Your richer life is waiting.